Gets it right gets a point. They also get to choose between what questions they want to answer, and that's the question that we'll put up on the screen.
Thank you. Okay, so our first team is Ayush, Srijay, and Samanvi. Please stand up. Go ahead and wave to your parents. Our next team is Krishna, Arav, and Hitakrit. Go ahead, stand up. Say hi. Thank you. Our next team is Abhay, Rohit, and Rajeshwari. And team 4 is Via, Hasita, and Danyashri. All right, so we are going to start with our first problem. Question 1. Okay. Our first question. If n is a 3-digit number and m is the reverse of n, what is the maximum value of n minus m? This goes to team 1. So team 1 will have 2 minutes starting now to answer the question, and if they don't get it in 2 minutes, it will go to team 2 for a chance to steal. And it continues like that. Alright guys, you got this. All teams can solve now, because if team 1 doesn't get it, it's open to the rest. Everyone in the audience can also try solving this problem. You got it? Okay. 891? 891 is correct. So team 1 gets 1 point. Congrats. Okay, team 1, choose a number from 1 through 21 to see which question we're going to go to next. 10? Okay, question 10. Okay, now question 10 will go to team 2. So now team 2 has a chance to get question 10 correct first. Okay, number 10. How many triangles are in this image? Everyone should solve. I suggest drawing it on your paper first. One minute left, guys. I got the answer. 10? 10 is not correct. It's okay, it's okay. This one is challenging. So now team 3, do you have a chance to steal? Does team 3 have an answer? Does team 3 have an answer? Not yet? How much time is left?
We have 30 seconds.
30 seconds left, guys. Does team 3 have an answer right now?
Okay, time's up.
Time's up. Does team 4 have an answer?
4?
11? Not closer though. Not quite. Okay, so after team 4, we have team 1. 13. 13 is correct. All right. So I'm going to give team 2. You guys have the chance to, okay, first, for team 1, can you guys explain how you got your answer as 13? Okay, wait, can we see the triangle question again? Question 10. Okay, would one of you guys like to explain how you got 13? Get up, come on. You got this, you got this.
So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Perfect, so all the triangles with one triangle inside.
And there's one big one.
One big one, 7.
And there's 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, so you got the 2 halves, and then these 2, and then these 2, right? Perfect, so that's 13 in all. Good job. Okay, so now team 2. Can you guys pick a number from 1 through 21 for the next question? 7. Okay, question 7 will go to team 3. Team 3 will have a chance to solve this one first. Sorry, team 2.
Okay.
Okay, the letters in the word mathematician are put in a box. What is the probability of choosing the letter A? Team 2, you guys solve this first. But everyone should start solving. One minute left, guys. You can leave it in a fraction. Almost. Do you have the answer? 3 out of 13. 3 out of 13 is correct. Good job, guys. Can anyone tell me how many letters are in the word mathematician? 13. Perfect. There are 13 letters. And how many out of those 13 is a letter? 3. 3. Perfect. So it will be 3 out of 13. Okay, now, okay, so this is question 7. So team 2 gets a point. Now, team 2, choose another number from 1 through 21 for the next question. 11. Okay. Yeah.
11.
Perfect. 11. Question 11. Okay, question 11. If you have half of one pizza and you give away 1/3 of this, how much of the whole pizza do you have? Okay, team 3 gets a chance to answer this first. You guys can even draw it if you want to. How much time is left? 1 minute left. Okay. Let's see, what's your answer?
5, 6.
5, 6. Is 5, 6 the correct answer? No, not quite, guys. Okay, so that was team 3. Now does team 4 have a chance?
1/3.
1/3. Is 1/3 the correct answer? Yes, 1/3. Can one of you guys go ahead and tell us how you got to 1/3?
It says if you have 1/2 of the pizza. If you have one pizza and then take away 1/3, you have 2/6 of the whole pizza, which simplifies to 1/3.
Okay, so now team 3. Choose a number from 1 through 21.
2.
Question 2. Let's go to question 2. And now team 3. It's team 3's chance to win 1 point first. Team 3. Okay. Ooh, this one's tricky. If I use 120 boxes of tissues in 3 days, and if there are 144 tissues per box, that's how many tissues per minute? Everyone should solve this. This is like a typical math problem where no one would ever do this in real life. One minute left. This one's really hard. I agree. Does team 3 have an answer? Yes? Okay, let's see.
4. 4 tissues per minute.
Perfect. 4 tissues per minute is correct. Everyone. Do you want to give a brief explanation of how you got there?
So I multiplied 144 by 120 to find out how many tissues there were in total, which gave me 17,280. And then I divided it by 3 for 3 days. And then I got 5,760. And then I divided it by 24, which I got 240. And I divided that by 60, which I got 4.
All right. Okay, so team 3, you got this one. Okay, now since you got this one, tell me again, 1 through 21, which question would you guys like to do?
13.
13? Perfect. Okay, question 13. Team 4 will have a chance to solve this one first. Okay. All right. Add up all of the prime numbers from 1 through 50. You have 2 minutes. 1 minute left, guys. Okay guys, 20 more seconds. You got this. Time's up. Do you guys have an answer? Since this is like brute force addition, I'll give an extra 30 seconds. Got an answer?
302.
302. So close, not quite though. Does team 1 have a chance to steal?
330.
330? Not quite. You guys are getting closer though. Does team 2 have an answer? No? Does team 3 have an answer? Any guess?
367.
Okay. Not quite, not quite. What's the answer?
328.
Okay, 328. So, does anyone have on their paper all of the prime numbers from 1 to 50?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, let's see.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 20, 25, 21, 31, 29, 31, 33, 34, 37.
Okay. So this question, yeah, I'd agree that you need more than 2 minutes to do this one, but good job to you guys. You guys are so close. 300, 360, and then 330, they're really close to 328. Okay, so now, let's see, team 4. Choose a number between 1 through 21. 21. Okay, 21. Question 21. Again, goes to you guys. Okay, solve. 6 times 3 minus 2m is equal to 12. Solve for m. You guys got it?
N equals 1/2.
Yeah. That is correct. Good job, guys. Do you want to quickly explain how you got m is equal to 1/2?
Okay, 6 times 3 equals 18, and 6 times negative 2m equals negative 12m. 18 minus 12 is negative 6. So we get negative 12m equals negative 6. Divide 12 on both sides, m equals 1/2.
Okay, perfect. So 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. Perfect. Okay, good job. Okay, so now you guys get to choose again. 1 through 21. Which number?
11.
We already did that, right? 12. Okay, 12 will go to team 1. Okay, if a train travels at 65 miles in 1 hour, how many miles will it travel in 3 3/4 hours? This goes to team 1 first. 2 minutes. You will get a decimal for this problem, by the way. You guys got it? Okay, let's see.
243.75.
That is correct. Good job, guys. Perfect. Okay, so how many miles will it travel in 3 hours? And then you added that to 3/4 of, and then you got 243.75. Wonderful. Okay, so now you guys, choose a number from 1 through 21 for the next problem.
Yeah, we did that.
14, question 14. And this will go to team 2. Okay, -3 squared. You guys got the answer? What is it?
-9.
That is correct. Good job. I like this one. Okay, you guys get a point. Okay, why is it -9 and not just 9? Shouldn't it just be 9?
Because it has a negative. It's a -3.
Yeah, but is it -3 squared 9? But why is the answer -9?
Negative. If you know that, like, well, I don't remember what it's called. Exponents comes first, so you do exponents first, and then
Perfect. So exponents you have to solve first before you do the negative. If the negative was in parentheses, then the negative would be squared too, resulting in the answer being what would the answer be if there were brackets? 9, right? But since there are no brackets, the answer is -9. Okay, good job, guys. Okay, so from 1 through 21, choose another number.
20.
Question 20. Yeah, okay, so this question will go to team 3. A flagpole is 3 feet tall and the rope attached to it is 2 feet longer than the pole when the rope is pulled straight. How far is the end of the rope from the pole? Oh, this one's hard. You guys can see, right? This goes to team 3 right now. You guys got the answer?
4 feet.
4 feet is correct. Good job, guys. Okay, and brief explanation. How did you get to 4 feet?
I used the Pythagorean theorem, so it's 3 feet high, and then 3 plus 2 is 5, so then the diagonal is 5 feet, and then 5 squared minus 3 squared is 4.
Perfect. Wonderful. Okay, so you guys choose another question from 1 through 21.
15.
Question 15. A 100-floor building has an elevator that only stops at every 5th floor. How many floors can't it stop at? This goes to team 4. You guys got it?
80?
80 is correct. Wow, that was so fast, guys. Good job. How'd you get 80 so quickly?
Okay, so there are 100 floors, stopped at every 5th floor. Every 5th floor is, that's 20 floors. 100 minus 20 is 80.
Perfect. Wonderful, that was so fast. Okay, so now you guys, choose a number from 1 to 21. The next problem.
18.
18, question 18. Okay, square root of 4 is equal to the square root of 2 times 2, which is 2. So the square root of negative 4, which is equal to the square root of negative 1 times 2 times 2, is equal to what? You guys got it?
No solution?
If you were to write it in a solution, what would it look like? Not negative 2.
2 root negative 1.
2 root negative 1 is correct. Does anyone in the audience know how you would write that without using the square root of negative 1? Yes, in the back.
2i.
2i, perfect, because the square root of negative 1 is also called I. But for now, we leave it in 2 times square root of negative 1, which is correct. Good job, guys. Okay, that is it for today. Yeah, thank you so much.